We're here today at Nuar Precision Machinery, taking a look at one of their latest models. This is the Cnc H50C Spark EDM. One special feature of this machine is that it has a fixed table with a moving column. This means that when the water tank is full, it has increased stability, resulting in precision machining. It also has a built-in C-axis for improved versatility. This machine also has a very compact design, ensuring a small footprint and making it easy to move. If you would like to know more about Nuar Precision Machinery, please check the link at the end of this video.